Now, update coming in from the violence hit state of Manipur. This is about the incidents of violence that have been reported from Ziribam district in Manipur. Now, 600 people have taken shelter in Assam, and commandos have been deployed along the Assam-Manipur border. Assam police has stepped up vigil along the Assam-Manipur border in the wake of the violence that has been reported in the Ziribam district in Manipur, which shares its border with Kachar district in Assam's Barak Valley. Police have been patrolling along the National Highway number 37 to monitor movements very closely. And the Kachar Superintendent of Police, Numan Mahatta, visited the villages in Jirighat area in the Lakhipur constituency, and SP Mahatta has appealed the locals to maintain peace and not spread any kind of rumors. SP Mahatta has also assured that while neighboring areas are experiencing unrest, Kachar district has remained peaceful and will continue to remain peaceful. And the current tensions in Jiribam have led to the displacement of approximately 2,000 people. Around 1,000 have sought shelter in Assam's Kachar district, putting the area home to Meiteis, Hamars, Bengalis, and Hindi speakers, etc. They are on high alert against any kind of spread of tension there. This comes after a concerning incident ahead of Chief Minister N. Biren Singh's scheduled visit to Ziribam district today, when yesterday an advanced security team was ambushed near K. Sinam village in the morning. And let me tell you, at least 3 security personnel were injured in this attack, in this ambush. And this ambush occurred at around 9:30 a.m. yesterday, when the security team was conducting a routine inspection of the area in preparation for the Chief Minister's visit. And the assailants, whose identities and affiliations are yet to be determined, launched a surprise attack actually, and they used firearms and explosives, which suddenly started causing chaos and confusion among the security forces. And the investigation has found that the ambush was at K. Sinam village, and the bunkers from which the ambush was made were located within 100 meters from the CRPF camp. And let me tell you, the Chief Minister of the state, N. Biren Singh, has reacted very sharply to it, and he has stated that the attack on the Chief Minister of the state is the attack on the state itself. So strong investigation will be done, and the perpetrators will be nabbed, and they will be given proper punishment as per law. So that is what is coming in lately from the violence hit state of Manipur, where we have seen that the incidence of violence in Ziribam has now led to 600 people taking shelter in Assam, and a lot of people have already been displaced from their houses in Ziribam in Manipur. This is Pritya Priyadarshini reporting for CNN News 18.